We meet again, my wee chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet...
Rusty Pete?
Rusty? Mon Dieu. Your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre Lafayette. Pirate extraordinaire.
Oh, is this your friend on Mackenzie? Oh yeah, but one thing, Kira, it's there because Rivet is a version of Ratchet, Terrence is a version of Tal, and what if they're a version of me? I'm fine, Mari, but I need a little time. Can you get me a minute for while, please?